Unlock your energy with Mitolyn. Boost your health naturally. Imagine unlocking your body's true potential. Introducing Mitolyn. Don't just take our word for it. Helen P's this really works. More energy, less weight. I can see the results. It's incredible. Mitolyn is designed to support your mitochondria, the powerhouse of your cells. Boost energy. Burn fat more efficiently. Powered by natural ingredients. Choose the perfect plan for you. One bottle, $59. $147 plus 2 free bonuses. 6 bottles, $200 plus 2 free bonuses plus free shipping. Try Mitolyn risk-free with our 90-day money-back guarantee. If you don't see results, we'll refund every penny. No questions asked. Harvard researchers discovered the secret behind metabolism. Overweight people have low mitochondria levels. Lean individuals have high mitochondria levels. Your mitochondria convert fat into energy. More mitochondria, more fat burning. Mitolyn is packed with nature's best ingredients. Maki berry supports heart health and cholesterol. Rhodiola reduces stress and boosts mood. Hematococcus supports joints and immunity. Amla improves digestion and vision. Cacao regulates blood pressure and enhances well-being. Schisandra supports liver health and skin elasticity. Real people, real transformations. Peggy lost 35 pounds and feels more confident. Russell lost 29 pounds. His clothes fit better than ever. Connie lost 40 pounds and is more active with her kids. Got questions? We've got answers. Is it safe? Absolutely. Natural formula, certified facilities. How many bottles should I order? 3 to 6 months for best results. How do I take it? Just 1 capsule a day with water. Is it a one-time payment? Yes, no hidden subscriptions. Now it's your turn. Choose your package and start your transformation today. Fast, secure shipping. Get started now. Ready to experience Mitolyn? Take control of your energy, metabolism, and overall wellness today. Visit the official Mitolyn website and unlock the benefits of this incredible supplement.